Welcome to the benchmark of hardwood floor sealing with LOBA EasyPrime, the water-based sealer that changed the game. EasyPrime offers rapid drying, ensuring you spend less time waiting and more time enjoying your beautifully sealed floors. Say goodbye to lap marks. EasyPrime provides the perfect foundation for applying finish to even the most challenging types of wood. Unlike traditional water-based sealers, EasyPrime significantly reduces side bonding and the notorious white line effect, giving you the maximum safety and peace of mind. Versatility is key. EasyPrime is suitable for most wood species, ensuring you can achieve a perfect finish, no matter the project. When applied over LOBA stain, EasyPrime enhances the coloration, giving you a richer, more vibrant result. Elevate your hardwood floor projects with the brilliance of EasyPrime. Experience the ease of sealing with EasyPrime, where rapid drying meets ease of application and a flawless finish. Trust in the innovation that cares for your floors.